Hey guys, this is exercise 6 for chapter 11 part 2. So question says that we need to the stockholders equity section of Marigold Corporation balance sheet consists of common stock of 7 par value of 900,000 59,000 959,000 and retained earnings of 410,000 410,000. So common stock, we'll put this number, and then the paying capital in excess of par value common stock is 0. Then the total paying capital is going to be this same number. Uh, um, and then retained earnings according to instructions is 410,000. So if we add these two, the total stockholder equity is going to be 1,369,000. And it says here that a 10% stock dividend, 13,700 shares is declared when the market price per share is 18,000. So how I did this personally, to calculate the paid-in capital in excess of par value, we have to subtract this number, the market price share of $18, minus the seven par value. If we do that, it will come up with $11. And so if we multiply the 13,700 shares times 11 dollars, it will give us $150,700, and that will be the paid-in capital in excess of par value common stock. And then here, and return earnings here, how I came up with this number is pretty much, if we multiply 13,700 shares times the market price per share, which is 18, that will give us the number of 220, give me 1 second, $246,600. So that's how much stock dividend we're going to be paying. And so if we do that, we'll have to subtract that number minus retained earnings, and that will give us, after dividends, retained earnings will be 163,400. Now, I tried to figure out these numbers, and so I watched all of the videos, and I was trying, but I couldn't come up with the right answers. So on one of the videos I learned that if we play with these numbers, I remember that the total stockholder equity should be the same number. So if we use this number minus the retained earnings, that will give us a total paid-in capital, which should be $1,205,600. And then again, if that number minus the paid-in capital in excess of par value common stock for after dividends, that will give us this number, which is 1,054,900. And then here the outstanding shares, I just divide this number divided by 7 par value, and that will give us outstanding shares before dividends of 137,000. And here I'm making the assumption that if I add 13,700 shares times this number before dividends, that will give me 150,700 outstanding shares after dividends. Again, I'm just making an assumption here, but please, if you come up with right answers or how you did it, I will really appreciate it. And I apologize by not coming with the right answers or after dividends, but I watched all the videos, and so it was a little confusing, but I would appreciate any feedback and if you came up with the right answers. Thank you so much, guys.